Children, let us continue the chapter Pair of linear equations in two variables. Now let us solve the first exercise of that chapter. Now you go through the first question. What is that first question? Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Isn't this interesting? Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. According to the given situation, let us take the present ages of Aftab and his daughter be x years and y years respectively. So let us write, here you have the solution. Let Aftab's present age equals x and his daughter's present age equals y. Now 7 years ago means Aftab's age will be x minus 7 year and his daughter's age will be y minus 7. Here 7 years ago. 7 years ago Aftab's age equals x minus 7 and daughter's age equals y minus 7. 7 years ago Aftab's age equals x minus 7 and daughter's age equals y minus 7. And here the relation between the 7 years ago ages are given here. So what is that? I was 7 times as old as where then. Here father's age or Aftab's age equals 7 times daughter's age. 7 times daughter's age. Then it is x minus 7 is equals to 7 into y minus 7 it is. So it is x minus 7 is equals to 7y minus 49 it is. 7 into y is 7y and 7 into 7 is 49. Now it becomes x minus 7 minus 7y plus 49 is equals to 0. That you bring this to the standard form of the linear equation in two variable, that is x minus 7y minus 7 plus 49 is plus 42 it is. Plus 42 is equals to 0. You got one linear equation in two variable. So that is the first equation. And second relation, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. When it is 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So 3 years from now means after 3 years. 3 years from now means after 3 years their age becomes x plus 3 and y plus 3. The present ages are x and y means after 3 years their age becomes x plus 3 and y plus 3, and here his age, Aftab's age will be 3 times the age of his daughter. So take 3 years from now, Aftab's age equals x plus 3, daughter's age equals y plus 3, and Aftab's age will be 3 times the age of his daughter. So you take Aftab's age equals 3 into daughter's age. So it is x plus 3 is equals to x plus 3 is equals to 3 into y plus 3. That is the second situation here. So it becomes x plus 3 is equals to 3y plus 9 it is. 3 into y is 3y, 3 into 3 is 9. So it becomes x plus 3 minus 3y minus 9 is equals to 0 it is. Then it becomes, in the standard form it is x minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 is, that is minus 6 equals 0. So this is the second linear equation in two variables. So what is the first equation? That is x minus 2y, x minus 2y, x minus 7y, x minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0. Second one, x minus 3y minus 6 equals 0. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So you got it. Now here we got the algebraic form. Here we got algebraic form. Now we have to represent this in the geometric form. Geometric form we have to represent here. Graphical form we have to represent. So here to represent these two equations graphically, you substitute or you convert this into x equals or y equals. So you consider the first equation. Consider x minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0. And here minus 7y is there. So you write x plus 42 is equals to 7y. Here you must have the 7 positive. Then it becomes 7y is equals to x plus 42. Then y is equals to x plus 42 whole divided by 7. Here you got the relation y is equals to x plus 42 whole divided by 7. Then here you get two solutions for this equation. You take some value for x and get the relative value for y. That pair becomes the solution of this equation. Now here you know that here in the denominator there is 7. So here the numerator must be divided by 7. You take the value for x like that way only. So here it is 42 is divisible by 7. So you take here either x equals 0 or equals 7 or equals 14 like this way. You take the multiples of 7 here. So you take when x equals 0, y is equals to 0 plus 42 by 7, that is 42 by 7 is equals to 6 you got. One pair is x 0, y 6 you got. Second, when x equals, you take 7, then y is equals to 7 plus 42 by 7, that becomes 49. 7 plus 42 is 49 by 7. So you will get 7. Now you got the two solution here. X 0, y 6, x 7, y 7. So you write the column here x, y. Here when x is 0, y is 6. When x is 7, y is also 7 it is. So have the solution here. This is the solution you got here. Next you take the second linear equation, that is x minus 3y minus 6 equals 0. So you take x minus 3y minus 6 equals 0. Again you convert this equation to the form of y equals. Here also you know that it is negative means you take that to the RHS, that becomes x minus 6 is equals to 3y. So it is 3y is equals to x minus 6. Then y is equals to x minus 6 by 3. Y is equals to x minus 6 by 3. Here there in the denominator there is 3 means you must get the multiples of 3 in the numerator. So here 6 is divisible by 3. Then you put x equals 0 or x equals 3, x equals 6 like this way. So you take when x equals 0, y is equals to, you know that x is 0 means that becomes 0 minus 6 by 3, that is equals to minus 6 by 3. So here you got y is equals to minus 2. Then x equals, you take 3 or 6. Then if x equals 3 means y is equals to 3 minus 6 by 3, that is 3 minus 6 is minus 3 by 3, that is equals to minus 3 by 3 is minus 1. Now here you got two solution, x0, y minus 2, x3, y minus 1. Now we have the chart xy, that is when x is 0, y is minus 2, when x is 3, y is minus 1 here. Now you got the solution for both the linear equation and have the two charts and draw the graph here. Now let us represent both the linear equations graphically. Now you come to the graph and here you have the two perpendicular axes x dash and y dash, and you mark the origin and the numbers on all the four part. Here you know that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and also on this part minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus x, and also above the x-axis you mark the positive numbers and below the x-axis mark the negative numbers. And now see the here solution of the first equation, x minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0. First one is 0 6 here. You find the 0 and straight you go to 6 here. Here 6 is here, so it is a point 0 6 here. And also next point is 7 7, and here there is a 7 and straight you go to reach 7. Here there is the point 7 and that is 7 7. You join that 2 points to get the straight line. This is the straight line of the equation x minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0. X minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0. Here 2 points 0 6 and 7 7 are the solution, and you can have infinite number of solution for this equation. Now let us draw the graph of the equation x minus 3y minus 6 equals 0. Here the solution are 0 minus 2 and 3 minus 1. So you go 0 is the origin here, and 0 minus 2 means you go below the x-axis. So here there is a point, you mark it, and 3 minus 1. Here 3 minus means 3 is here and minus 1 is here. And join here, this is a point 3 minus 1, join these 2 points, that is this is a point 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2, and this is a point 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, join these 2 points. So this is the graph. Which graph it is? X minus 3y minus 6 equals 0. This is the graph of x minus 3y minus 6 equals 0. These are the two straight lines which represents the equation x minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0 and x minus 3y minus 6 equals 0. And these two straight lines are intersecting lines. How you can observe? Here, if you extend these two lines in this direction, there is a chance of intersecting, and you may say that they are having a unique solution. This two linear equations, which is a pair of linear equation in two variables, is having a unique solution. Now the second question is, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for 1300 rupees. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Here let us consider the cost of a ball equals, or cost of a bat equals x and cost of a ball equals y. Let us take here. So you take, let cost of one bat equals x rupees, that is, and cost of one ball equals y rupees. Then algebraically you can represent. Here there are equations. 3 bats and 6 ball cost 3900 rupees. So the first equation becomes 3 bats cost is 3x rupees, 6 balls cost is 6y rupees, and the total cost is 3900 rupees. So you got here, you can remove 3 common here. Then it becomes x plus 2y is equals to 3900. So here 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 threes are. So you will get x plus 2y is equals to 1300 rupees. So consider this is the first year. And second one, she buys another bat, means one more bat she buys, and 3 more balls, and the total cost of that one bat and 3 balls is here 1300. So it is, in the second case, cost of one bat is 1x and 3 ball is 3y, and that is equals to 1300 is equals to 1300. Consider this is the second equation, and these two are the algebraical representation of the linear equation, and according to the situation we got the algebraical representation. Next, here we have to represent this geometrically, means graphically. So here let us have the solution for both the linear equation. First one is x plus 2y is equals to 1300. So you have 2y is equals to 1300 minus x, and y is equals to 1300 minus x by 2. Now you take, so you take x equals 0, then y is equals to 1300 minus 0 by 2, that is 1300 by 2 is equals to 650. Next, x equals, you take any value. So if you take 100, then y becomes 1300 minus 100 by 2, that is 1200 by 2 is equals to 600. So you got these two solution here. Have the chart. x value is 0, 100. For 0, the y value is 650. For 100, y value is 600. So you got two solutions for the first equation. Next you take the second equation, that is 1x plus 3y is equals to 1300. That is x plus 1x plus 3y means x plus 3y is equals to 1300. 3y is equals to 1300 minus x, and y is equals to 1300 minus x by 3. 1300 minus x by 3, and here you take the value for x. So x you take, x is equals to, here if you want to take 100, then y is equals to, it becomes 1300 minus 100 by 3, then it becomes 1300 minus 100 means that is 1200 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 fours are, it is 400. Next you take x equals, so which value you are going to take here? You take 400. If you take 400, it becomes 1300 minus 400 is 900 you will get. So you write 400. Then y is equals to 1300 minus 400 by 3. So it is 900 by 3. Then you will get again 300 here. 900 by 3, that is equals to 300. So here you got the two solution. The values of x are 100 and 400 you have taken, and when x is 100, then y is 400. When x is 400, y is 300. Then you have the chart here. This way you got two solution for the second equation also. Then you come to the graph here. Now let us come to the graph. Here the value of x and y are more than 100. So you take the units. 1 centimeter is equals to 100 units you take, and you mark the points 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 like this way, and also minus 100, minus 200, minus 300 like this way. And here you mark the point for the first graph, first solution, that is you take the equation x plus 2y is equals to 1300. The first solution is 0, 650. Here there is a 0. Zero is there. 0, 650 means the point comes here. The next one is 100, 600. 100 is here, and you come to 600 here. Here it is a 600. And join that 2 points to get a straight line here. Now let us join the 2 points what we got here. In this way we got the straight line to the first linear equation. So it is a straight line of x plus 2y is equals to 1300. X plus 2y is equals to 1300, and this point is 0, 650. 0, 650 it is, and this point is, that is 100 and 600. 100, 600. In this we got the first graphical representation of the linear equation x plus 2y is equals to 1300. So here you got a straight line here. Now let us draw the second graph, that is, let us represent 1x plus 3y is equals to 1300 graphically. See the solution: 100 and 400, 400 and 300. First solution is 100, 400. Here 100 is here and 400 is here, means the point will be here. Next one, 400, 300. 400 is here. For x it is 400. And the y value is 300. So you take, it is a y value. So the first point is 100, 400. Second point is 400, 300. So these two are the solution and join them. Here the solution is 400, 300, and this is the graph. Which graph it is? 1x plus 3y is equals to 1300. That is x plus 3y is equals to 1300. If both these straight lines are extended, they are intersecting here. They intersect at some point, and means they are having a point in common. Means these two linear equations are having unique solution here. Now you take the third question. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is 300 rupees. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Now to represent this situation algebraically, let us have the cost of apple per kg equals x rupees. Let the cost of 1 kg apple equals x rupees and the cost of 1 kg grapes equals what? Y rupees. Then the cost of 2 kg apples becomes 2x and cost of 1 kg here y. The total amount is here 160 rupees. So you got the first equation here. And the second relation is after a month, the cost of 4 kg apples, that is 4x plus 2y is equals to what? 300 rupees. 4x plus 2y is equals to 300 rupees. Now here you can remove 2 common, then it becomes 2 into 2x plus y is equals to 300. So 2 ones are 2 150s are, and the equation becomes 2x plus y is equals to 150. Now let us consider this is the second equation. Here you got first equation is 2x plus y is equals to 160. Second equation is 2x plus y is equals to 150. So this is the first one, this is the second one. So you got algebraical representation of the situation. Now to represent these linear equations graphically, so here we have to have the solution. So let us have two solution for each equations. Now you take the first one, that is 2x plus y is equals to 160. The equation becomes y is equals to 160 minus 2x. So put the value for x. When x equals, when x equals, can take 50. So then y is equals to 160 minus 2 into 50, that is equals to 160 minus 100, then it is 60. Then you take, now let us take x equals less than 50 or greater than 50. So let us have x equals 60, then y is equals to 160 minus 2 into 60, that is equals to 160 minus 120, that is equals to 160 minus 120 is 40 here. Now you take the x and y. Here x, the values are 50 and 60. When x is 50, then y value is 60. When x is 60, then y value is 40 here. So you got 2 solution here. Then you take the second relation, that is 2x plus y is equals to 150. 2x plus y is equals to 150. So the equation becomes y is equals to 150 minus 2x. Again you take, when x equals 50, you take y is equals to 150 minus 2 into 50 minus 2 into 50, that is 150 minus 100. So it becomes 50. Now when x is equals to 60 you take, or 40 you take, 50 if you take, y is equals to 150 minus 2 into 60, that is 150 minus 120, that is equals to 30 you will get. Then you have the chart x, y. X values are 50 and 60. When x is 50, y is also 50. When x is 60, y is 30. So you got the 2 solutions for the second equation also. Now let us represent these 2 linear equations graphically. Now you come to the graph and have the x-axis and y-axis and mark the points here. Here the values of x are 50, 60, values of y are 60, 40. So here you mark 10, 20, 30, 40 like this way. Now come to the first linear equation, solution of the first linear equation. You see here the first solution is 50, 60. When the value of x is 50, then the value of y is 60. So you observe here there is 50, 60, you come to straight here. So here there is a point, this is a point 50, 60. Next one 60, 40. So here 60 is here, 40 is, this is the point 60, 40, and join these 2 points. Join the points. Here this is the point 50, 60. This is the point 60, 40. 60, 40, and this is a graph of, this is a line of, this is a straight line of the first linear equation, that is 2x plus y is equals to 160. 2x plus y is equals to 160. Next you come to the second linear equation, that is 2x plus y is equals to 150. The first solution is 50-50 here. Now that 50 is here, 50-50 means the point comes here. 50-50, and the second point is 60-30. 60 is here, 30 comes here. So you draw the line by joining the 2 points here. Here this is the point 60-30, 60-30, and this is the point 50-50, 50-50, and this is a graph, that is 2x plus y is equals to 150. 2x plus y is equals to 150. See the lines here. These two lines are parallel to each other. These two lines are parallel to each other. So you can guess that there is no solution here. These two linear equations are having no solution as the straight lines are parallel to each other.